Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohanur Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make motion sensor in security light wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Double pole MCB circuit breaker, motion sensor, security light, phase connection to double pole MCB, neutral connection to double pole MCB, phase connection from double pole MCB to motion sensor, output connection from motion sensor to connect security light, neutral connection output from double pole MCB to connect security light, neutral connection to motion sensor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.